right, welcome back to Code 5 Art. This is another letter study. I'm going to go to the letter J, and just like before, you will see all the letters down below in the description. I've done all of these, and the theme here is that I'm going to go and start with letter J and try to do as many styles as I can think of things I've seen on the internet or things that just come to me when I do this. But the point is just trying to practice and have some fun with it. So let's get into it. Dana, 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 boom. All right, sweet guys. I think that's it for today. Let's put a date on there. How about it? All right. As always, like and subscribe if you want to see me keep on going through this series. But overall, just keep creating, guys, and I'll see you around next time. See ya.